Hi, welcome. In this tutorial, I will cover a quick method of taking derivatives. This is the second example covering this method, so make sure you watch the video of the first example to get a better understanding. I would recommend this method because it saves time and you get to a solution faster. But first, one must understand the basic method, rules, and formulas of taking derivatives. The first example covered mainly the case where there's an addition or subtraction sign between two different functions. In this example, we'll look at the case where functions are embedded into one another. Let's begin. The first step is to label the whole problem 1. And our solution will be the derivative of this 1. Next step is to label the outermost function 1. In this case, square root. Now don't confuse the 1 of the square root and the 1 of the whole problem. Those are two complete separate things. Next, you label the second outermost function 2, which is tangent in this case, and so forth. So you label natural log 3 and then 2x plus 1, 4. And our solution will be the derivative of 1 multiplied by the derivative of 2 multiplied by the derivative of 3 and multiplied by the derivative of 4. Now we're going to take the derivative of the square root. Now remember, don't touch whatever is inside the square root. And we take the derivative of the square root, this is what we get. Next, you take the derivative of 2. In this case, it's tangent. The derivative of tangent is secant squared. And remember, don't touch anything inside the parentheses, so you bring that directly down to the solution. We then take the derivative of the natural log, and this is what we get. And lastly, we take the derivative of 2x plus 1, and you just get 2. Here we have a 2 on the bottom and the 2 on the top, so those two are going to cancel out. And lastly, you want to simplify the whole solution to make it look nice. And this is the final answer. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you watch other videos as well to get a better understanding of this method. Thank you.